This is the welcoming ceremony for the third and final of the Airbus A330 that will form the backbone of our rebranded national airline. No one will ever forget the wave of excitement that swept over the whole country when the first, the Island Taubuni, was delivered in March. Or the pride we all felt when the second, the island of Namukailau, arrived in May, and we honored the home island of our great designer, Makareta Matamosi. Far from being the arrival of just another plane, today's event is equally important, if not more so. Because I'm very proud to be here with the people of Essaouira Rara to welcome the new aircraft that bears the name of their island home. Less than a year ago, I led a mission to the Essaouas as we evaluated the damage caused to the country by Hurricane Evan. As you know, we were miraculously spared any loss of life, largely because of the work that had gone into our hurricane preparations. But the sight that greeted us in Essaouas, especially in Essaouira Rara, and like other parts in Fiji, was still heartbreaking. Many houses were destroyed, others had lost their roofs, and a great many others were badly damaged. The Bukama District School and the Essaouira Secondary School were also destroyed, along with the Methodist Church and the wharf. But what Hurricane Evan hadn't destroyed was the spirit of the people of Fiji, including those of Essaouira Rara. And that spirit fortified and inspired me at a very challenging time for me as Prime Minister and for the rest of the government. Instead of despair, there were smiles. Instead of a defeatist attitude, there was a determination to rebuild. It is therefore with much pleasure personally, and I'm sure I speak on behalf of all Fijians, that we welcome the naming of our third Airbus as Essaouira Rara, to symbolize the spirit we all aspire to, treating national disasters as setbacks, not defeats. Essaouira Rara is no longer just a small and isolated place in Fiji. It is a name emblazoned on a state-of-the-art aircraft that will be seen by millions of people at the great airports of the Asia Pacific. And over the coming years, it will fly millions of visitors to Fiji and bring millions of our fellow Fijians home. This is the first time that Essaouas has been recognized in this way, and I think it is long overdue. Because we also want to commemorate the contribution of all the people of the Essaouira group, especially Essaouira Rara, to our important industry and revenue earner, tourism. From the early days of tourism in Fiji, the Essaouas have been an important and attractive destination. It's not just the beauty of the islands themselves, but the people of the Essaouas who make them special. On behalf of every Fijian, I want to thank every Essaouan for your role in contributing to our economy, for opening your islands and your hearts to the world, for being so much part of our new slogan, Fiji, where happiness finds you. So welcome, Essaouira Rara, from the Airbus factory in France. Welcome to your new home. In closing, I would like to thank the chairman and board of Fiji Airways for turning the airline around and making it profitable again. and to the committed staff who have embraced the new spirit in the airline and made the successful transition to Fiji Airways. I especially want to take this opportunity to welcome the new Managing Director and CEO of Fiji Airways, Stefan Pikler, who comes to us with an impressive record of achievement in the airline industry. Stefan, on behalf of the Fijian people, we're pleased to have you at the controls. Ladies and gentlemen, at the conclusion of this function, I'll be going across to the tarmac for the groundbreaking ceremony for the commencement of work to upgrade the Nadi International Airport. As with our investment in these new planes and the new Fiji Airways, it's all about investing in Fiji's future, using our resources to modernize and keep pace with the rest of the world. To be proactive, not reactive. I'll be saying a lot more about this when I announce the 2014 budget on Friday. But it's all about putting Fiji first and never being content with being second best. We may be a relatively small economy in global terms, but we intend to grow. We may be a relatively small country, but we have big plans for ourselves and our children. Building on our achievements of the past few years, we have a vision of Fiji as encapsulated in our new constitution. A Fiji which is a clever nation, a fairer nation, a nation in which every child has the same chance to get on in life, a nation standing proud and tall. This is a great day to be a Fijian, but even better days lie ahead. And I thank you.